Hey everyone, welcome to the Leader Show! This is Valentino Mai. Today, I'm going to talk about money. A lot of people do not talk about money. At school, teachers do not teach us about money. But we need to know to become successful future leaders. Therefore, today, I am going to talk about money. How to make money. When we think about money, many of us are familiar with these skills. Save more, spend less, and budget. These are terms that we use all the time. We know they are things that we should do. And these are focused on preserving what we have. Then, in the other side of the coin, we have this idea. Make a lot of money. What we see, what we hear about money making is very different from what reality is. If we have the money saved and if we do what we are supposed to do, we can make lots of money. There is a lot of confusion about how to make money. For example, 76% of women find money investing confusing. They don't know how to invest. They don't know how to make money. So there's a big knowledge gap. Moreover, data shows 71% of Americans find talking to their financial planner scary. Even more impressive is that 44% of Americans find the most challenging conversation you can have is about money. So this is a real problem. We all work very hard to make our money. We are all told to save our money, but what do we do? If we want to make a little bit more, we need to start teaching people how to make money. Take some of the skills there. For example, like kids learn in school. For example, think of something, compare and contrast, or sorting of that matter. In kindergarten, we learn how to sort things, how to build patterns. These are skills as business people use in the market every single day. And in fact, when businessmen trade, a lot of skills that they use, not financial skills. These are skills that they have learned in other areas. Therefore, we need to help students bridge the gap between information they are already learning and relating this to money making. Realistic expectation is also very important money making process. When it comes to the market, it is not all or nothing. For example, imagine there's a person with $10,000 and he wants to know how he can make $20,000. That is a lot of money. That is the problem. $10,000, $20,000, that's a 100% return. That is doubling the money. It is all about our expectations. It will be more realistic for him to take $10,000, try doing it, enjoy that, and take his family out for dinner once a month, as opposed to trade his money. There is nothing wrong with taking a small amount of money that you have and only just focusing, making some profits, and then spending this profit on the fun things that you love. For example, I love going to Disneyland and I love playing the hedgehog. Other than trying to double the money. Doesn't have to be all or nothing. We can still make money and a little profit, which will grow and will become a bigger profit. So what I'm trying to tell you is making money is about skills and realistic expectation. Thank you for listening to my presentation. This was Valentino Mind